In my last video I had shown you how to replace Honda Activa 3G front brake shoes. In that video I had told you why you have to replace the brake shoes, when you have to replace them and how you have to replace them. If you have not yet watched that video, then I will put a link of that video in the end screens. Later you can go there and watch that video as well. In this video I will show you how to remove and replace Honda Activa 3G rear brake shoes. If you are coming on this channel for the first time, then see that you subscribe to my channel. So come on, let's start the video. So first you will have to take a 24mm socket and you will have to loosen this nut which is in the middle of the tire. To loosen this nut, you will have to press the rear brake and you will have to tell somebody to sit on the bike so that when you are turning this nut, the entire bike should not move because this nut is always very tight. So once you loosen it, you will have to take a 17mm socket, and by taking this 17mm socket, you will have to take out these 4 nuts which are there on this rim. So here comes out my 4 nuts, and now you will have to separate the tire entirely from the bike. Once you separate it, the next thing that you will have to do is you will have to disconnect the brake cable from the lever. So loosen and take out the nut which is there on the brake cable entirely and separate the brake cable from the brake lever. Now you will have to take out the nut which you had loosened. Then take a hammer and bang this hub part out. Once you take out this hub part, pull or press and take out these brake shoes and separate them from the bike. So here my brake shoes are now totally separated from the bike. Now here are my new brake shoes which I have bought. They have cost me 238 rupees. Now before you put them on, take a sandpaper and slightly scuff the brake shoes so that they will get a good grip. And then you'll have to clean your hub parts with petrol, like how I have shown you in my last video. If you have not yet watched that video, then I will put a link of that video in the end screens. You can later go and watch that video. So put the brake shoes on one side first and then put on the other side. So here I'm done putting my brake shoes in position. Now you will have to put back the top hub part and then put back the visor and the nut which you had taken out. Once you put them back, put your rim and tire back in position and put back the 4 nuts which you had taken out. Once you put back those 4 nuts, now reconnect the brake cable which you had disconnected, and once you connect that back, keep the brake pressed and tighten all the nuts. And once you tighten all of them, your brake shoes are now replaced. So I'm hoping that this video was useful to you. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe, because I bring you the most detailed videos. By watching them, even my wife can repair the bike. And see that you press that bell icon so that you will receive the notification every time I release a new video. And with that, I will see you guys in my next video. So bye and take care.